Hello, my beautiful friends. I haven't filmed a video in forever. I don't know why I'm talking like this, but hi and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Blanca. I feel a little bit nervous filming because I haven't filmed in months, or maybe it's been like a month or so, but it's been a while. I was suffering from a case of like super duper dry skin, eczema. I couldn't wear makeup. My skin was extremely itchy and it's been a struggle. But I'm feeling much better and I'm so happy to be back. I have missed you guys. I have missed filming. I wanted to film a haul for you guys and show you guys all the products that I have been using, that I have purchased recently thanks to TikTok. I am on TikTok now. I don't know why I took forever to get on there, but I have learned quite a bit from TikTok. I have been loving everything that I have been using for my hair, for my face, and so I wanted to share all of that with you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Okay, let's jump right into this haul. Okay, so like I said, I have been suffering from extremely dry, irritated, I don't know what's going on with my skin for like the last couple months, and I recently purchased the Ultra Repair Cream by First Aid Beauty. So I decided to just go with the mini just because I wasn't sure how my skin was going to react with it. But let me tell you, my skin absolutely loves this stuff. This has changed and transformed my skin for the better. I started using this like not even 2 weeks ago and my skin has just never looked better. It got rid of all the dry patches I had under my eyes. It got rid of that itchiness I constantly felt, especially in the morning or right before bed. I constantly was rubbing my eyes, which would make it even more itchy and then would just cause like irritation. I've heard of First Aid Beauty before, but I've never, dove into it just because I've never had an issue with my skin. I've always been oily or I've always just had like combo kind of skin. I've never had dry skin before. So this line caters to dry, sensitive skin. So I decided to give it a try. And like I said, in less than a week, my skin just transformed completely. So this contains oatmeal in it. It contains shea butter and the ingredients in here are clean. Oatmeal is something that is just going to soothe your skin. And that's what I feel when I put this on. It gives me like this nice soothing kind of feeling. And it just looks great under makeup as well. I've never had an issue with it. So I do apply this in the morning and then I do apply it at night. If you get anything from this haul, I would definitely recommend getting this, especially if you suffer from dry, irritated skin. Like this is amazing and I cannot recommend it enough. So another thing that I picked up from Sephora is the Laneige. Wow, I can't talk. Is the Laneige sleeping mask. This leaves your lips feeling so hydrated and moisturized. Now I know it says sleeping mask, but I like to use it in the morning and at night. And this little container lasts me for almost a year. It also comes with like a little scoopy thing if you don't want to use your fingers. This is my third time purchasing it. I did purchase one for my sister as well and she loves it. It just makes your lips feel very soft and plump. I just love it and it smells really nice. It smells like berries and I haven't dipped into it yet or used it because I want to make like a TikTok video with it. So I always go back to this just because I haven't found anything that leaves my lips so soft and juicy. And even though it's pricey, it does last a really long time. So another thing I picked up from Sephora is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And I'm wearing it today and I'm wearing the shade Ebony. This again is also pricey. I was using the one from Milani, which was nice, but I don't know, I feel like it dried out on me and it was kind of like crumbling a little bit on my eyebrows. I don't know, I just love this one. I just love the way it leaves my eyebrows and I just really like it. It's up to you how much you want to use. You can go very light hand with it. It's waterproof and I don't have it like crumbling on my eyebrows. It looks really pretty. I love it. I love the way it performs. So that's why I always go back to this. Okay, from Shoppers Drug Mart, I purchased this L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation, and I got mine in the shade 445, which is vanilla. So all the foundations that I normally use are matte foundations, but since I've had dry skin, I've had to switch my foundations up, and I heard that this one is amazing for dry skin, so I decided to give it a try. And you guys, I am in love with this foundation. I got it when it was on sale. It is pretty pricey for a drugstore foundation. I think it's like $20, something like that. So much for a drugstore foundation, but I kind of get why it is, just because it looks really nicely. I have it on today and it does not cling on to any dry patches. It just glides on really nicely, and it also comes with a pump, and all you need is a tiny bit. It really depends on the coverage you want, but you can build it up to make it a full coverage. It does have like a little bit of a powdery finish, but for me, it works really nicely on my skin, and my skin is dry, you guys. So this is just a beautiful foundation. I love the way it works on my skin. And if you're looking for a foundation that isn't too heavy and is going to work for dry skin, definitely recommend this one from L'Oreal. All right, so for my hair, I recently purchased the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. It has silk protein and neem oil in it. This has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no petroleum. It's got some pretty good ingredients in it. It smells delicious and the scent lasts a long time in your hair. My hair was just looking pretty dull and it was getting frizzy, and I just didn't like how it was looking. And so I saw this girl on TikTok who has the most prettiest hair ever, and this is the shampoo and conditioner she uses. My hair is normally wavy, frizzy, and it's just heavy. It can be a little bit hard to manage sometimes. So this leaves my hair feeling nice and soft, very silky, shiny, manageable. It gets rid of a lot of my frizz. They have so many kinds to choose from. They have some that are for like frizz control, moisture, color treated hair. They have an assortment. For the conditioner, I noticed that some people were saying like the conditioner is really hard to spread or it's too thick. So what I have found that has worked the best when it comes to using the conditioner is I apply it to my ends, and then I take a large comb like this and I just brush it through in the shower. That way it's just spread evenly onto my ends. And I just find that doing that really spreads out the product evenly throughout my hair. Okay, last but not least, I picked up these OGX products. I got the Smoothing Coconut Coffee Body Cream, and then I got the Smoothing Coconut Coffee Scrub and Wash. You guys, these smell like heaven. If you like coffee, you will fall in love with these. These smell like a latte. Exfoliates your skin. It has like these little tiny, I don't know if you could see it, but it's got these little beads in it, so it will exfoliate your skin very gently. And then I got the cream to go along with it. The cream, like, it lasts a long time on your skin. Sometimes you buy nice, yummy smelling creams, and then within like 15 minutes, you can't even smell it anymore. But with this, you can definitely smell it on your skin hours later. My husband loves this as well on me. He's always sniffing me like a dog. These are so yummy. You're gonna love them, I promise. All right, you guys, so this concludes my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you for all your love and support. It really does mean a lot to me, for all your patience. I hope you guys are all doing well and keeping safe. And I know some of us are struggling just because of the times we're living in, especially like not being able to see family and friends. It can take a toll on you, but just remember that this is all temporary. It's not permanent, and it will get better, hopefully. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.